What's happening, man?
Going to the beach, homie.
Hombre.
Going to the beach, homie. Portuguese beach this time. See if we can fuck ourselves up somehow. That's what people love to see, innit?
You love seeing us fuck ourselves up, don't you? It's a little dog.
Look at little doggo.
Hello, doggo.
Doggo.
Bye bye, doggo.
Being at a place like this, bro,
Yeah?
having money, being able to live like this every fucking day. That's your fucking life. The only thing we don't got is money.
It's only one thing, we got everything else, so it's gonna be simple. You got any ideas of how we're gonna get that thing?
I have no fucking clue.
If anyone asks, I'm running a story on you for some sort of National Geographic.
Yeah. Because I'm a fucking national treasure.
Because you're an animal. This is uncharted territory, bro.
Not a single living person has ever been in this place.
Well, I think more in terms of people with titties out, we got our fucking camera in front of us. This is really nice, man.
Nice, eh? Yeah. Really nice. Fucking chill, man.
In a sense, we're lifestyle bloggers, man.
Yeah, we are. What do you mean in a fucking sense? We are,
We're
bro.
lifestyle bloggers.
Exactly.
Lifestyle.
I like fluging.
No, you go ahead, I'll follow you. Go, man, because I don't want the fucking shit to get...
These people have fucking speakers. They have their head screwed on right.
They did it properly. Yeah, man. Yo, it's looking like it's the end of the line.
What are you talking about? Wasn't there a cake?
Yeah, here. What do you think of this cave, Brewski?
It looks dangerous, bro.
Holy shit.
It looks like a cave where a dragon would live.
Right, you gotta go quick, man.
Where is it?
Quickly, run!
Where is it?
Run into the cave! Yo, is there anything up here?
Oh, there's fucking nothing.
We're stuck!
Yeah, we have to go back. Alright. Well, that was a big fucking failure.
Nah, this isn't really our stuff, but it's closer than
Yeah, no, it's not really
closer than what we've heard.
This is too mainstream, bro. It's a secret beach, bro.
Beautiful. Holy
Wow.
shit. There's like no one here. I love it when we find something that no one's ever been to before.
Me too. By the way, if you like our destination, you can book it on budgetholiday.com, all inclusive. Let's go up, bro.
Yeah, we leaving?
Yeah. Let's fuck up. Yeah, man, let's fucking leave.
Alright.
Place sucks. Or just chill here.
You just said let's go.
We chill here?
Oh, you want to chill here?
Yeah, but I want to chill in the shade, man. I've had enough sun for today.
Right there.
Blanket of fucking shards.
Beggars can't be choosers, man. No, this is the best spot we're gonna find, bro.
It's not, man.
Right here. Brewski? You want to say goodbye to our fans?
Bye-bye, fans.
Bye, fans.
I love you.